Hey, welcome back to Moving Targets Mobile Axe Throwing. Let's get into our next exciting game. Today we're covering Cornhole, axe throwing style. With this, you can play between 2 and 4 players. You can play one-on-one or with teams. Like regular Cornhole, scores cancel out. So, if your first player hits that bullseye, and the next player comes over here and hits a 3, this team scores 3 points. Pretty simple. Play to 15 points. Now, you can play 2 different ways. One where there's no cap and it's the first person to get 15 or over, that team wins. Or you must hit 15 on the nose. If you go over, you drop back down to 7. And then there's skunk. Skunk is 11 points. If one team scores 11 points before the other team scores any points at all, that team wins. And like match play kill shots, you have to call kill shots in match play. Same with Cornhole. So if you want to catch up, you have to call that kill shot to get 8 points, or it's not worth any points. So I hope you like this exciting game. Like and subscribe for more games to come. And let's play a game live to show you how it's really played. So that's a 4. So 2-0. What do we got?
3-0. It was 1 point.
Three more?
3.
So 6?
2.
Oh. Nothing. There it is. Nothing. Oh, and he gets a 1 out of it. Oh, he got it! Oh!
No! You missed it, right?
Yeah! That was a smart drop. So, back down to 7.
I did it.
Whoa! And we. Oh no! Ooh! Ah! Two. Ooh, another 4.
11.
Did you get a bull?
I don't know how to miss that damage in your board.
You can miss it.
Oh, barely. Like the one time I didn't want it. That was the most 6 of in a row. So in my head, I'm trying to see if I can score a 60 in this game.
So 2 more there. We're back to 9. Yep. You get it or no? Nothing?
Nothing. Side quest, that was 10 in a row.
Nice. Damn. Got it. Wow. Okay.
No, the streak.
Nice.
I got punished.
Open.
Now.
3. So we're at 12 to 10. Three?
annoying.
Game.